So I've got a question for you today. What if your next chapter wasn't about profit or success, but about purpose instead? I know what it's like to build a career that checks every box of outward success. I spent 15 years as a trial lawyer on Wall Street, working for one of the nation's most prestigious firms. I had the corner office, the accolades, the income, and honestly, the kind of reputation that most people work a lifetime to achieve. But deep down, there was always a sense of restlessness. I'd look around at what was happening in the world and all these issues that no one was solving, and I would ask myself, is this all there is? Am I really going to spend the rest of my life catering to corporate behemoths instead of doing something far more meaningful? I knew I was meant for something bigger and frankly more important. And so in 2011, I made the leap. I left it all behind to build a legacy of social justice, not just for myself, but for my family, for my children, and for the world. If you're watching this, you may be feeling the same call to take all that professional experience and use it to make the world better, to transform your career success into a legacy of social justice, to create real and lasting change. By the end of this video, you'll have an actionable roadmap to shift from feeling directionless or underutilized to creating social justice initiatives that save and change lives. You'll see how your expertise and resources can be used to address critical issues like food insecurity, community safety, civil rights, and civic engagement, all to create immediate change in your local community and establish a legacy that will benefit generations to come. Let me tell you, it's more than possible. I've seen it in my own journey, in the thousands of clients that we've worked with over the years, and in our most immediate clients inside the Ripple Effect Institute. Folks like David, who went from being an election lawyer to someone who's now managing an enormous community garden project that is feeding food insecure people in his own city. People like Michelle, who went from being a small-town therapist to offering resilience workshops for activists all over the country. Folks like Celia, who spent years doing frontline work to benefit our veterans, and then moved into doing activist work to benefit LGBTQ youth in her later years. These are people who wake up every day knowing that their life's work matters. This is the power of legacy. And if you're ready to start building your own legacy, I want to invite you to book a free strategy call with our team here at the Ripple Effect Institute. No sales pitch, just a real honest conversation about your dreams, your skills, your challenges, and how you can turn your purpose into action. Sometimes all it takes is 45 minutes of clarity to unlock a lifetime of impact. Let's dive in. Step 1, redefine success from transactional wins to transformational impact. Let's get honest. The standards that made you successful in your career, like hitting those KPIs or building that book of business or earning the respect of your peers, don't always translate immediately to transformational impact. That's why it's time to shift your measuring stick. For years, I measured my value in billable hours, in courtroom victories, in another successful case won. But when I looked at my life through the lens of legacy, the question became, who am I actually helping? What benefit am I really bringing to the world? And sometimes in the middle of the night, the nagging question of how will I be remembered? And when I looked at it really closely, what I found was that the place where I felt the most resonance was actually in the human rights cases I was doing pro bono. That was a place where I knew I was doing work that was going to benefit future generations, that was going to remedy huge harms. And that became a leaping off point for what came next. What about you? What would it feel like to look back years from now at where you've been in your career trajectory and see that turning point when you made the decision to use all those skills and all that knowledge for social justice instead? How would it feel to decide to use those things in your spare time or maybe even full time to actually make the world a better place? One of my clients, who's currently a senior executive, told me recently, "I'm really scared, Elizabeth, that my life, when I look back on it, will have been meaningless if I don't do something to try to change things." And I'm here to tell you that that kind of thought is not a fatal flaw. It's actually a compass. It's a sign that she, and maybe you, are meant for more. So this is a good time to ask yourself, now that you've achieved some career success, and maybe you have some more freedom, maybe some extra resources, what does real fulfillment look like to you? And how does that map onto what's happening in the world today? And if you're listening and thinking, that's exactly where I am, I want to invite you to book a free strategy call with our team. We'll get crystal clear together on how your expertise can have the greatest impact. Step 2, pinpoint your signature cause and your leverage point. Here's where your experience becomes your superpower. Because here's the thing, you can't take on every cause and every issue. I know it's tempting in this particular news environment where there's so many horrible things happening out in the world to be overwhelmed and to feel like you don't know where to start. And while we can't address everything at once, each of us can pick one cause where our skills, our experience, and our passion can come together to make a difference. After leaving my Wall Street law firm, I didn't just jump at the next opportunity that came along. I actually took some time to analyze what had been the most meaningful things about my prior career. And it did turn out to be my human rights law experience, but also some other things, like the fact that I had been leading whole teams of junior lawyers, and I had really enjoyed mentoring and coaching others to a certain degree of success and change. I also realized that some of the work that I found the most rewarding in that realm had been work where I had been advocating for clients who were desperately in need. When I considered my years in human rights law, my lifelong trajectory as an activist, and my experience leading others to meaningful change, I realized my true leverage, guiding other successful professionals to using their skills, experience, and drive to build focused, high-impact strategies for change. What about you? What injustice ignites you? Where does your story intersect with a critical need? Like maybe food insecurity, or housing justice, or civil rights, or the defense of democracy. I've seen clients who thought their only value was the donations they could make with their checkbook, only to discover that they had great strategic minds, or they were incredible network builders, or that they had a certain skill for advocacy not seen in very many of us. When you align your skill set with the right cause, your impact multiplies. So tell me in the comments, what are your unique gifts? And how do they intersect with a cause that you care about? Putting these two things together is the start of your impact building journey. Step 3, design a purpose-driven initiative structured for sustainable change. So here's a key feature that I want you to take in at this point in the video. It's really important to understand that we can't just dabble in social justice work. We actually have to build sustainable projects that last. That's why, after decades of activism and more than 10 years working in the Fortune 500, training executives on how to create change from the inside out, I decided to create a structured program, a step-by-step blueprint to help successful professionals like you design, build, and grow initiatives that create tremendous social change. Here's how we do this together. Through strategic planning to turn your vision into tangible goals, by helping you to build the right team and partnerships within your community, and by creating actionable, measurable steps to build and grow your impact so that your work is sustainable, not just a flash in the pan, and actually creates real change for generations to come. This approach has helped my clients to create community defense networks to protect their neighbors from ICE, nonprofits to help feed food insecure families in their own communities, advocacy campaigns to benefit people who are running for office or for social justice causes that they care about, school board initiatives to prevent the banning of books about Black and LGBTQ history, and on and on and on the list goes. So I want to ask you, what would it feel like to you to see your idea for social change really take root and to grow into something that benefits your community for years to come? That's real legacy. That's using the gifts that you have and the skills that you've earned for real, lasting change. Step 4, leverage your network for exponential impact. Here's something I learned firsthand. No one can build a legacy alone. When I left my Wall Street law firm, I thought I was closing the book on all my old colleagues. But then something happened that was kind of surprising. What I found instead was that the professional network I had, which included my old Wall Street colleagues, some clients I had represented at big investment banks and in private equity, some colleagues that I had worked with in my pro bono work who worked in big nonprofits, all wanted to find ways to actually make a bigger difference with their lives. My professional network It turned out to be my most valuable asset in creating social change. Decades of trust, shared missions, and proven expertise, these can all be channeled into incredibly powerful collaborations. That contact list in your phone is not just a list of names. It's actually an ecosystem of potential partners, collaborators, and allies. And a funny thing happened to me. I found that when I shared my purpose, others who I never would have expected showed up with their own resources, their own ideas, and with their support, making my impact exponential. The same can be true for you. One of our clients, for instance, who decided to build a mentorship program for young women in tech, didn't just start her initiative solo. In fact, what she did was she recruited other top executives in her tech field to help support that initiative and build a movement. That movement continues to grow to this day through her work with us at the Ripple Effect Institute. So this is a good moment to ask yourself, who in your circle could you invite on this journey to help you create change? Step 5, measure, iterate, and celebrate your impact. Legacy is built through action, feedback, and refinement, not perfection. That's why inside the Ripple Effect Institute, we guide our clients to track both stories and outcomes. We want to analyze what's working by new metrics, and we want to understand where obstacles persist and how we can scale to make the biggest impact for the best results. This is how we create social justice initiatives that are not just effective, but also sustainable. And our clients, well, they see their dream outcomes every day. They see immediate benefits to the communities where they live, lives saved, opportunities created, families protected, rights preserved. And that's how they know and how you can know that your work is laying a foundation for generations to come. Ask yourself, what would it be like to look back a year from now and see a ripple effect of your impact because you decided that this was the moment to act? Remember, your legacy, all of our legacies, are built on impact, not intentions. We have to step forward bravely to choose to make a difference if we really want to build lasting legacies of change. So if you're ready to go from feeling restless or underutilized or simply stuck in a corporate trajectory that feels somewhat meaningless, and you want to take what you know and start leading initiatives that create real social change, let's connect. Book your free strategy call with the Ripple Effect Institute today. No obligation, just a real conversation about how we can take your skills and your gifts and turn them into something meaningful that creates a real impact for positive change in the world. You have everything that you need already to make a real difference at this critical moment. Now is your time. Let's go build that legacy of social justice together. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.